Hi. Today we have the ultimate police cruiser from Paw Patrol, which is Chase, and here's a net launcher, and the two motorcycles. The two motorcycles they belong on the side of the truck so that you could launch them out. We have a tennis launcher to shoot stuff, and we have the pop-in button. Whoops, that's the button you could click last time. That's on. We have a pop-in button on the back. When you click it, it takes out your police helicopter.
That's amazing.
And you take it out from its position, and then you fly it. And then you insert it right back in.
And what else it comes with?
You also have a waft which you could use to take it out. You have this black thing. You put it like this, and then you have it on the side. You take the side so that you could attach it right in. You have it in both sides. Yeah.
What does this button do?
This one?
Mm-hmm.
The button takes out the helicopter.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
And then we have the red button. If you click the button, it gives you lights and sounds.
Does it make only one sound?
No, it makes no sounds. And then you have the net launcher. You can put it on this side. Oh, on this side. Whoops. Oh, you can put it up here.
What does the net launcher do?
The net launcher shoots out tennis balls or nets. Just like that. You aim it out by clicking the red button. And hold on. You can also use it at the air. Oh, let me just take it down. You have it over here, and then when you insert it in, you can use the net launcher in the air.
Uh-huh. That's pretty cool.
Hold on. That's how. And you can take it out.
What is it called, Solly?
The ultimate cruiser. You can use it. You could use it in a lot of places. You could and you also put these other tennis balls right over here. There's these two, so that you can keep the tennis balls. Just like.
So the Ultimate Cruiser also comes with the additional net launchers, tennis balls, okay.
Yeah, tennis balls. And it also comes with one taste for green.
Oh, that's cool.
And if you have any more Paw Patrol, like other Chase, the Sky, and other like Marshall and this, you could just keep them around. Like you could keep Chase in there, Marshall in there, and you might also keep Sky in here and Wobble in the back.
You like the cruiser, Solly?
Yep. And you take the big button, and then you could just launch it out. It takes two or three tries to get it to make it to launch out like both of them. Okay, now it should be able to work. Whoops! Just like that. you could launch it out.
That's awesome.
And then you just insert them in these slots. There's these stuff which is launchers which launch them out. Whoops. Whoops, that was the wrong
So, Solly,
way.
out of 10, how much would you rate this Ultimate Cruiser on a scale of 10? Is it like 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yep.
So you give a thumbs up?
Yep.
How would you give a thumbs up? 1?
No, 10.
That's cool. Now say bye.
Bye.